मनोहर पर्रीकराच्या तत्वापासून मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत पयस जायत चल्ला। मुख्यमंत्र्याचेर सध्या आरोप जावंक लागला। एके वटेन मुख्यमंत्री दाबोळी विमानतळाचेर सोऱ्याचेर बंदी आशिल्ल्याचे सांगता, जाल्यार दुसऱ्या वटेन थंय सोरो पिवपाक परवानगी दिता। वास्कोच्या एका बारवाल्यान केल्लो हो आरोप।
वास्कोचे बारवाले म्हणटात ते प्रमाण 2012 तसो एकदा यज्ञ जाल्लो। त्या उपरांत तेन्नाचो मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान फकत बारवाल्यांची लायसनाच रद्द केली नात, जाल्यार दाबोळी विमानतळाच्या वाठारात सोरो पिवपाकय बंदी केल्ली। पूण स्वताक पर्रीकाराचो वारस म्हणून घेवपी मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान विमानतळार बार्रांची परवानगी दिवन दाबोळी विमानतळाचेर सोरो पिवप्यांक मेकळे रान सोडला अशें तेंचें म्हणणें। हाचो वास्को सयत हेर वाठारांतल्या बार वेवसायिकांचेर परिणाम जातलो असोय दावो ते करतात। पळयात।
Vasco will be more affected. That is a different issue. But like places like Kandoli, Kalangut, where tourists go, those wine shops also they also sell the alcohol to them. So now in future they won't buy alcohol from them. They'll bring wines coming from the airport itself.
Take back.
And then they'll take it back also. We have a brief about the liquor shop coming at the airport. And now we all so Vasco have come together to protest against the shop coming up at the airport. So when they come to Goa, they'll come to the airport. They'll pick the bottles from the airport, and that way we will lose our business. Even while leaving Goa, when they're going out, they will pick up the bottles from the airport and go. So, and we won't get that business. Well, a wine shop 10 years back, there was a wine shop over there. And then we had approached Honorable CM, ex-CM Manohar Parrikar, and told him about it. And then under the clause of the prohibited area, the license was cancelled. But now this party has come up again and he wants to put a wine shop over there. But I don't know how he can put it over. Since it is a prohibited area, the license would not be given to him. He has applied for a license and the file is with the Honorable CM. Dr. Pramod Sawant.
Will it be wholesale liquor sold?
It won't be wholesale, it will be retail sale of alcohol in packed bottles. आता हांवें आयकलां त्या प्रमाणे 3 वायन शॉप येवपाचे आहा म्हणून, वन एट अ डिपार्चर, वन अरायवल आनी एक आफ्टर द सेक्युरिटी चेक when you're leaving out from here, there will be one more wine shop. This will be more competitive than us. But even if it is on par with us, still he will have an advantage over us because he is located at the airport. So people don't have to buy the alcohol and carry it to the airport. They can buy it there and then transport it to wherever they want to go. Wherever they are competitive. It will be competitive. Even if it is not competitive, it is like convenient for the tourist.
So rate, according to your rate, could be same.
It will be same. Most probably same.
धंदो वयतलो.
वास्कोच्यान आमचो खबराकार हिरू महाले।